Welcome back to another episode of Big John's Cooking. Today, we're doing a chicken stew, Boot Hill of Missouri style. Stick around. Alright, these are my supporting cast. I got some bell pepper, some celery, some onion, a little bit of bacon for a little smokiness, some andouille for a little bit of heat, and some smokiness. So, besides the chicken, I got them in the sink. We washed them off, got them soaking in a little bit of salt. Finna bring them out, brown them off, and start this party. Stick around. This is gonna be fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna toss in some oyster mushrooms. Can't forget about those. All right, gonna start this off with our bacon. Render this down just a little bit. We also going to toss in our sausage. Let them go together. Just to add a little flavor to our pan a little bit. And we'll toss in our chicken in that flavor that develops. Stick around, I'll bring it right back. Give this a little stir. Everything's starting to render down a little bit. I might add a little more oil to this. Add a little vegetable oil. Just so when I put my chicken in there, I got a little bit to start my frying with, and then I also got some oil left over for my roux. So stick around, I'll bring you back for that next step. Sorry about that. That stupid mic wasn't working. Turn on, mic. All right. As JB would say. Stupid camera. I turned it down to a medium high. High was too going. It was going too fast. I needed to adjust a little bit. So we're gonna just put some color on this. I got the backs, the legs, the thighs, and the wings. The breasts, well, won't go into this pot. They've been cooked separately. Some people around here don't like dark meat. I don't know why. Go figure. Give this the old flip-flop. Looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. Alright, we'll exchange these out. Put some other pieces in. Let them get some loving. Everybody in the pool. We'll sprinkle on the other side, just for good measure. All right, get the second batch out. Set this aside for a second. All right, get us some flour in there. Half a cup. We want a fairly thick roux going here. It is a stew. All right. Since we're making a mess. Whisk a little too strong. Stir this in. Try to get some of that fun up. We're not gonna go super dark with this. Matter of fact, as far as I'm gonna take it, add my veggies in and let them start doing their work. They can help get some of that fond off the bottom. All right. I gotta wash some dishes, y'all. So let me get that done and I'll bring you right back. Ooh-wee, this is smelling something fine. I love the smell of the Trinity. Those aromatics are fantastic. All right, we're gonna let this go a little while longer. Add us in some chicken stock. Then we'll toss the chicken back in. Turn this down and let it simmer. All right, that has sweated down a little bit there. There's plenty more cooking time to go, so we don't have to sweat them down completely. I want some left whenever it's done cooking. It's about 16 ounces there, half of a container. I'm gonna be adding some more to it. This is gonna thicken up pretty quick, but I want to get some of that goodness stuck off the bottom. See how thick that's getting already? Yeah, buddy. It's a good thing I got another container here Got another half. Dropping that heat, but pulling all that goodness off the bottom. Yeah, this is gonna be fantastic. Oh, that's just smooth coming off there. Now I'm gonna add some MSG there. Now you add some or not, totally up to you. Some soul food seasoning. Cause I know it's needing some salt to that. We're gonna give that a taste here in a second. See where we're at. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's just fantastic, son. We're gonna turn this down just a little bit more, because we're gonna slap a lid on this fella. Put this bird back in there along with some of these here mushrooms, oyster mushrooms. I love these. Beautiful. I get them from my Asian market. Quick chop, chop, chop. These fellas will be good. And actually, I'm gonna just break these off a little bit. Throw away that. Let me get this done and I'll bring you back. Alright, I got all my mushrooms in. I added the rest of my chicken stock. Now, we're going to add back in our sausage and our bacon. Dishes are piling up on me. Gonna add back in our chicken. Make sure we get those backs in there. I don't know about you, but I love chicken backs. You know, nowadays, you get chicken already cut up, you don't get that piece, so young people don't know nothing about that. But I remember as a kid, I'm the youngest of 7. And well, sometimes, and I'm adding rest of that juice that was in there as well. But I was last to get a piece. So I come to love chicken backs, chicken necks, the liver, gizzards. Love me some wings, thighs, and legs. All my favorite pieces. I'll eat the breast if I ain't got no choice. But I can pass them by. Alright, we're gonna let this simmer for about an hour, and I'll bring you back. Alright, everything's looking good. Smelling good. Tasting good. Shut it down. The lid back on. Bring you back when I plate. Alright. Got us some rice set up here. We're gonna make sure we get us some sausage. Put a little sauce over my rice. Find me a piece of chicken and some veggies. Looks awesome. Let's eat. Looks delicious. Alright. I've already tasted the sauce. It's good, man. Guess I can't hold the camera and eat it at the same time. This is delicious. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Tell a friend about me. I can use the help. And subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you on the next one.